In my mathematical world, I have one little problem. Kaji is a nurse in a busy emergency room. His job requires him to use a lot of math. Help me understand some of the math he faces at work. A doctor prescribes 1 2/10 kilograms of a medication. How many grams does Kaji give the patient? If this amount is given in 12 doses, how many grams is each dose? Kaji determines that a patient needs to rest for 2 hours and 40 minutes for observations. How many minutes is that in total? Kaji needs to split a medication between 3 patients. Patient A receives 1/4 of the medication, patient B receives 2/5, and patient C receives the remainder. Who received the largest portion? Kaji needs to give a patient 1/3 of a cup of juice each time they take medication. There are 2 cups of juice available. Is there enough juice for the patient to take their medication 5 times? Kaji administers 1 3500 liters of saline solution and then 7500 liters of medication. What is the total amount of fluids administered? Kaji gives a patient medication every 6 hours, and each dose is 2 tablets. How many tablets will Kaji give the patient in a 24-hour period? Kaji weighs 3 patients with weights of 65 kilograms, 70 kilograms, and 80 kilograms. A healthy weight for their age is 72 kilograms. As a group, are they above or below the average healthy weight? Kaji prepares a syringe with 3 8500 milliliters of medication A and 2 5500 milliliters of medication B. What is the total milliliters of medication in the syringe? If there was 5 2/10 milliliters of medication A to start with, how much is left? Kaji is scheduled to help with a 3:15 p.m. surgery. How many minutes past noon will the surgery be? An IV delivers fluids at a rate of 50 milliliters per hour. If the bag holds 1 liter, how many hours will it take for the bag to be empty? An IV bag delivers fluids at a constant rate. The bag needs to be emptied in 4 hours. If only 700 milliliters of fluid remained after 3 hours, what was the original volume of the bag in liters?